Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you why you cannot hide albums in the Photos app on iOS 26 anymore. Okay, but before we begin I will also show you that when it comes to the settings and the software version, I'll go into the software update. I'll show you that I'm using the iOS 26 version. So now when we open up the photo app, it's not possible to hide and albums. The only thing that we can do is to hide the photos one at a time, but we cannot hide the whole album or the folder. To hide one photo, I'll show you because it's still possible. Simply click on the photo, click on those three dots, and now click on hide. Now click on hide photo. And now it's in the hidden folder. Open up the collections, find the utilities, and in here we have the hidden album, which is also protected by a passcode. If the hidden folder doesn't even want to appear on your iPhone, you need to open up the settings, scroll down, go into the apps, scroll and find photos. Right in here, scroll down and make sure that show hidden album feature is enabled. But just like I was saying, it's only possible to hide the photos, not whole albums. That's what happened in the latest iOS 26 version. So that is pretty bad. I don't know why it happened. Hiding the whole folders isn't available anymore. I don't know why Apple did it, so but that's how it's working right now. We can still hide photos, but we cannot hide the whole album. For example, let's say we cannot hide whole memory folder, for example, or the videos whole folder. It's not impossible. It's not possible. I don't know why iOS in this version of the iOS it's working in that way, and maybe the Apple will fix it. From what I've heard also, and I have checked in the internet, it was intentional. I mean, this lack of this feature to hide the albums, it was intentional from the Apple, but we still don't have, for example, the official statement confirming that Apple removed exactly those options, but currently it's not even possible. Maybe in the update, if it will come, it will be solved, but we just need to wait. Apple didn't currently give us any information about it, so we just need to wait. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.